We all have a common problem that the internet is running very slow in our Windows computer and laptop. We don't get the speed as per our plan, and if the data plan is limited, then on the mobile the data lasts all day. But if we connect internet on laptop or desktop via Ethernet or hotspot Wi-Fi, data gets lost very quickly. After watching this 5-minute video, your problem of slow internet speed and high unknown data usage on laptop will get solved forever. Just try these simple steps once and you will see the difference. So let's crack the Windows. So now we are going to do some changes in our Windows and app settings to restrict these unnecessary internet usage. We all know Windows loves data. By default, Windows is designed to use internet data to install and run regular Windows updates, store apps, antivirus, and apps running in the background. If left unchecked, these background updates can consume most of our data. So we'll go to the search bar and type here background app. Background apps option has come up. We'll just click on it. See this, so many applications are running in the background while we are not even using them. From here we'll close all those applications that we don't want to run. Just click on the front tab of respective app and switch it off. Making internet connection metered is one of the simplest way to make Windows 10 or 11 machine consume less data than it typically would. For this, we'll first open our Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and go to its properties. Scroll down a little bit and we'll see the metered connection option, which is by default off. We have to turn it on by clicking once. In the next step, we are going to turn off the news and interest element of Windows, which consumes a lots of data without us knowing. For this, we'll right click on the taskbar and go to the option of news and interest and turn this off. See, the notification has disappeared from taskbar. In the next step, we have to disable the auto update service of Windows. For this, we'll go to search bar and type here services. Services option has come up. Just click on it. A new window will open and on scrolling down a bit, we'll get the option of Windows Update. Double click on it. Here in the startup type, if automatic is selected, then first we'll stop its service status. Go to startup type and disable it. Apply and OK. In the next step, we'll restrict those applications that automatically start along with the Windows and continuously consumes data. To do this, we'll right click on the taskbar and hit the task manager icon. Click on more details and go to startup tab. Here we can see what programs automatically starts along with our Windows. We'll disable all those unwanted programs that we don't want to load. Just click once on that program and disable it. In the last tab, we have to disable Microsoft Store app. For this, we'll go to the computer search bar and type gpedit.msc. Local group policy editor will open. Here, under computer configuration, we'll go to the administrative templates. Then double click on the Windows components and search for store. Here's the store. Double click on it. Now in the right pane, double click on the fifth option, that is turn off the store application. A new window will open. Just click on enable and OK. That's how we can restrict unnecessary consumption of data in our Windows machine. In the next video, I'll tell you about 9 routine mistakes due to which our computer and laptop is not able to work as efficient as it should be and destroys very quickly. So we must avoid these mistakes. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you like to see more videos like this, do subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the latest update. If you have any suggestion or query, please leave a comment below. I'll surely respond. See you guys on next video. Goodbye.